Hi guys, right now I'm going to go over K3, identify proportional relationships by graphing. So this is actually a very important lesson that we really have to get familiar with. The questions are going to be asking, um, according to the graph, do X and Y have a proportional relationship? In order to be proportional, the line will have to pass through the zero, through the origin, okay? Again, it has to pass through the origin. And what is the origin? The origin is known as 0 and 0. That's the point, okay? So once we start graphing, if it passes through 0, 0, then it will be proportional. Okay, just keep that in mind. So let us begin. The problem reads, Winston wants to save up money to buy a new smartphone, so he babysits on the weekends. For 1 hour of babysitting, he earns $5. For 2 hours of babysitting, he earns $10. In this relationship, X represents the time. This is very important. So the X is going to represent the time he babysits in hours, and the Y is going to represent the amount of money he earns. Okay, so what we're going to be doing right here, it's a table. Your X, it says that it's your hours. So I'm going to put hours right here. Your Y represents money. Okay. So basically what it's telling you here is to create your table. So for 1 hour, he earns $5. For 1 hour, he earns $5. For 2 hours, he earns $10. If you do Y over the X right here, super quick, Y over the X, 5 over 1, it's going to give you $5 an hour. If you do the next one, make sure that you also get $5. If not, it's not going to be proportional, okay? So 10 divided by 2 is a 5. We need to make sure that both of them give you the same number. Once you do that, you go ahead and plot the numbers. Don't forget that you're following the first number. The X is a 1, so you put right here, X is a 1, and then a Y of 5, so you go up 5. That's your first point. Then 2, you go 2x, and then 10y. So 2 with a 10y. You plot those two numbers, and does it pass through the 0? Confirmed, it does. So then that it is a proportional relationship, and then you just submit. One more time right here. You just have to read. The X represents the number of kids, and the Y represents the total number of caramels. Okay, so basically you do your times table, your T chart, and then the X is the number of kids, and the Y is the number of caramels. Okay, so 2 kids eat 4 caramels, 4 kids eat 8. Okay, so let's go ahead and plot the numbers. 2, okay, and then the 2 is right here, go all the way to 4, and then 4 with the 8. Does it pass through the 0? Yes, it does, so then it is proportional. That's how we're gonna do it. Okay, so let me just check that all the questions are the same way. Yes, and there you have it. That's the way you're gonna do this lesson. Good luck.